we see we used the Norton's theorem to solve this question. Then we found our IN as this, and finally we found the current through the 10 ohm resistor as 0.0167 amp. So now I want us to take the simulation and use it to really see whether we are getting the same answer or not. Because just check the values. We have our circuit 2, 4, 8, 6, 10, then 12 here. So using our faster simulation, I've already set up the simulation here. Then when we come, we realize that here, when I bring my cursor here, you see that the values are at the bottom, my right hand side. You see that our current through it is 16.69 milliamps. So milliamps is 10 times the power minus 3. So you see, when we do that, we'll end up coming to get the same answer as this, which is also equals to the 0.016 amps. So that is how we can just use our simulation to also solve this question. So have a nice day. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm signing out.